Here we are, we're going to do a demonstration of two machines. One a conventional 2-group Brasilia Portofino with a grinder, and the other a Espresso 701 super automatic. First, I got I already ground and poured my espresso and tamped it already. And put it in. This machine has steamers, your shot selections for your first group, shot selections for your second group, hot water, and then your second steamer. On your super automatic, you got your grinder is incorporated into it, and your hoppers up on top. You got your steam, push the button. You got your hot water. And then you got your selections here, a decaf up here. We're going to do same as conventional, we'll do the double shot. Taking the beans from the grinder. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 817-640-3131. Thank you.